Hello everyone. Tonight we are going to be doing a revisit at the Shell gas station located in Aurora that has a Belanger Kondor system. It used to be a laser wash 4000 until they replaced it around 2 years ago. So not for long. So the newer one. There's a little bit of a lineup in front of us right now. And for the wash we're going to be getting, if I can find it, we will be getting, hopefully you can see it, hopefully we will turn on the light. We will be using this ultimate car wash pass that I'm holding on my hand right now, and we'll be getting the ultimate wash. So, it's been almost 2 years since I've been back here. So, since there's a lineup, I will start it up again as soon as we get closer to the code machine. So I'll see you then. And entering for code now, I will slide it. There we go. Now we can go on into the wash. There we go, and that's the wash begin. Let's go ahead for the dryers. $50 of a dryer time. Okay, there we go. Now we'll park way for fail and see how well the wash have done. Okay, I will stop here. There we go. And let's see how the wash have done. So the dryer didn't do well here. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of water on the side dirt here. There's a lot of soap on the back tires too. A little bit of soap on the back windshield. Dryers didn't do well here as well. And we left like a little bit of dirty water here. A lot of more soap on the left tire. Clean for tires too. No soap on that. The bumper, the hood didn't do well. The tires didn't do well on the hood. And the side dirt. And they cleaned this tire too. And for dry. And like I said, the dryer didn't do well on the dirt. So that's how the car wash did. I definitely highly recommend this Shell and Aurora. There's also with a Mark 7 Choice Wash XT I went to a few months ago. I'm planning to do a revisit there one day. So yeah, that's the Shell station. It's done a great job. I highly recommend it, or I should say it done a nice job. So yeah. Anyways, that will be it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.